the next concept that we are going to discuss is, okay, bootstrap time-based circuit already provides linearity, but how to further improve the linearity? Okay, we are now going to discuss. So for that, what we will do is, see, earlier we are making few modifications. In the previous circuit that we discussed, we just had one capacitor. Instead of that one capacitor, we are taking two capacitors, C3, C2. We had C in place of C. Now we are taking two capacitors, C3, C2, and the junction of the two capacitors, okay, from that junction to this point, additionally, we are taking a resistor R2. So these are the modifications that we are doing. Now, when we do these modifications, okay, what happens here? So first of all, let us see the expression for voltage across capacitor. Here we are calling it as VBN, the voltage across capacitor. Again, to get this expression, let us go back to what we discussed in the previous class. Okay. Let us see what is the expression for voltage across the capacitor. Okay. This was the expression. VT by RC, the same VT by RC. Here the total voltage we have is VCC. So we are taking VCC into T by RC. Then what we have into 1 minus T by 2 RC into 1 minus T by 2 as it is. Okay. T by 2 as it is. T by 2, then what we have? T by 2 by RC we have. Okay. So T by 2 into 1 by RC we have. Now let us see what is that 1 by RC in terms of ES. Okay. Here 1 by RC is nothing but ES by TS. Okay. So T by 2 into ES by TS. T by 2 into ES by TS. Okay. So what we are actually doing here is the voltage across capacitor, which we already discussed in the previous class. Okay. We are replacing this RC by using in terms of ES and TS using this relation. So ultimately what we are doing is the voltage across capacitor we are representing by using this, okay, sweep speed error, right? So what is the reason for doing that? Now here we can clearly observe the error component. Here we can clearly observe the error component. Okay. So any of the electronic circuit, what we do, how to compensate, right? If you can make a circuit connection so that the, for suppose the error we have negative voltage. Additionally, if we provide a positive voltage, same magnitude, then the error can be eliminated. Okay. And that is what is done here. The voltage, okay, across this particular R2 is adjusted. Okay, the voltage across, okay, this R2 is adjusted so that it becomes exactly equal to the second term, this one. So what happens? Due to error, we have this voltage. By adjusting this R2 to this voltage, a positive voltage, the negative positive will cancel out, and in this manner the error will be reduced. Okay, in this manner the error will be reduced, and that is the trick we will be using here. So now what is happening here? Okay, we are using this voltage drop across R2. We are using this voltage drop across R2 equal to this one, so that the net voltage, when we consider the negative term and the positive term, will get cancelled, and in that manner the error will be reduced, and okay, the linearity will be improved. Okay, the linearity will be improved. So what will be the voltage across this particular capacitance? It will be VBN, okay, VBN multiplied by this, okay, just by using the voltage division rule. What does the voltage division rule say? The total voltage multiplied by one impedance divided by sum of those two impedances. So just by using the voltage division rule, okay, by using the voltage division rule here, the VR2, the voltage drop across R2, okay, we will get it this one. We'll get it as this particular expression, okay. And again here VBN already we have. VBN is VCC by RC, eliminating the error. And C is nothing but series combination of C2 and C3, okay. So C2 C3 by C2 plus C3 is C, right? So already we have C2 by C2 plus C3. C is C2 C3 by C2 plus C3. That will cancel out, only C3 will remain. Okay, so this will be the expression for the voltage drop across R2, which we supply, right, in order that this error term is cancelled out and we get improved linearity. Okay, so this is about the voltage time based circuits. Next topic very easy, current time based circuits. See, voltage time based circuits means we have linear relation, or if we take voltage versus time graph, we have straight lines. So current time based circuits means voltage, current versus time, we will have straight lines. Voltage time based circuits means if you plot voltage versus time, you have straight lines. Okay, so this is voltage time based. Current time based means if you plot current versus time, you have straight lines. Okay, right? Again, we have very simple, and again, so how did we achieve voltage time base? Constant current through capacitor. We got voltage time based. Current time based, constant voltage across inductor. Okay, so it is like vice versa. There we used constant current through capacitor. Here we will use constant voltage across inductor. Okay, so very simple circuits, very simple mathematical expressions. Okay, so please take this as homework. This is the last concept, very simple concept. Okay, so study this thoroughly, right? So with that we finish the 5th unit and entire syllabus. Okay, right? But thoroughly study the entire syllabus. Okay, any doubts, do not hesitate to contact me. This officially this is the last class. Okay, but unofficially, suppose if you have doubts, we will conduct one more class. Okay, we'll have a lot of time until our final exams, isn't it? You have doubt, even if it is night 10 o'clock also, do not hesitate. I hope all of you have my WhatsApp contact. You can put a message, I have so and so doubt. Then we probably will have a Zoom discussion. I have done this with your final year students, okay, 4th year students. I have done this, okay, few months back, couple of months back. So I am familiar with all this process. Okay, so any doubts, don't hesitate to contact me, right? If required, we will arrange Zoom meeting, and that also I will record, and that also I will upload, so that it will be helpful for you to revise or for your friends to revise once again. Okay, right? So all the best. Now it is your responsibility. Now see, so far I have taken the initiation, teaching. Now you have to take the initiation. Okay, learning, right? And I hope all of you pass ECA with good marks. Okay, all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.